In January 2005, a small probe made history. It dropped through the thick, orange skies of Titan, Saturn's largest moon, and landed on a world unlike any other we had ever touched. This was the Huygens lander delivered by the Cassini spacecraft, and it remains the only mission to ever land in the outer solar system. During its descent, it captured hundreds of images and measurements, but one photograph, taken just 5 miles above the surface, continues to puzzle scientists to this day. This image reveals a landscape carved with branching channels, looking remarkably like riverbeds on Earth. But how is that possible? Titan is unimaginably cold, with an average surface temperature of minus 179 degrees Celsius. Water there is frozen as hard as rock. The leading theory is that these channels were carved not by water, but by liquid methane. On Titan, methane acts like water does on Earth. It rains from the sky, flows in rivers, and pools in vast lakes. The spot where Huygens landed looked just like a dried-up river delta. Images showed a network of channels draining into what seemed to be an ancient shoreline. The ground itself was made of icy pebbles with a texture like damp sand. These formations strongly suggest that liquid has flowed here, but the big questions remain. When did it flow? How often? Was it from seasonal methane rainfall, or maybe a massive flood from long ago? Some even wonder if it could be from cryovolcanism volcanoes that erupt icy slush instead of molten rock. What makes Titan even more fascinating is its atmosphere. It's mostly nitrogen with a bit of methane, a composition eerily similar to early Earth before life began. But Titan is trapped in a deep freeze. Its atmosphere is thick with a smog-like haze made of complex organic molecules called tholins. These are formed when sunlight breaks down methane, and they are considered potential building blocks for life. These carbon-rich particles rain down onto the surface, creating a world rich in the raw ingredients for life, but without the warmth and liquid water needed to kickstart it. It's like a prebiotic Earth, frozen in time. The Huygens probe transmitted data for just 72 minutes after landing. It was a brief, fleeting glimpse into an alien world, but it revolutionized our understanding of the outer solar system. The probe gave us a single, tantalizing snapshot of a small patch of Titan's surface. We saw the channels, but we couldn't see if anything was flowing in them. Later, the Cassini orbiter used radar to discover massive lakes of liquid methane and ethane near Titan S-poles, some larger than the Great Lakes on Earth. But Huygens landed near the equator, where such large bodies of liquid were absent, making the origin of its river-like features even more mysterious. Were the channels ancient relics from a weather past, or did Huygens happen to land in a place that had recently seen a rare equatorial rainstorm? We just don't know for sure. The science is still unsettled, and that one image from 5 miles up continues to be a source of intense debate. But we are going back. NASA is preparing a new mission called Dragonfly, set to launch in 2028. This isn't just another lander. Dragonfly is a nuclear-powered, car-sized drone, a rotorcraft designed to fly across Titan's surface. Instead of starting one spot for a few hours, Dragonfly will spend years hopping between dozens of locations, covering hundreds of miles. Its destination is an area of vast dunes near the equator called Shangri-La, which is rich in organic materials and may hold clues to Titan's ancient past. Dragonfly will carry a suite of advanced instruments to analyze the chemistry on the surface, searching for complex organic molecules and potential biosignatures, the chemical hints of life. It aims to answer the questions that Huygens raised. What are the conditions for life in the universe? Could life exist on a world so different from our own? Dragonfly will transform our 90-minute snapshot of Titan into a long-term, planetary-scale exploration, unlocking the secrets of this frozen, prebiotic world. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey to Titan, Be sure to like and subscribe for more adventures into our solar system and beyond.